In today's video, I'll teach you guys about DuckDuckGo. Now, DuckDuckGo is a free browser that provides the most comprehensive online protection. Now, unlike many other popular browsing apps, it has powerful privacy protection by default, including our search engine that does not track our history and over a dozen of other inbuilt protections. Now, first let's install DuckDuckGo. For that, open your App Store or Google Play Store and then search for DuckDuckGo. Now the app you want to download is this. After you've downloaded this, go and open it. Now here you go. This is the initial page. Now as it says, the internet can be kind of creepy. So don't worry, DuckDuckGo has it for you. Now continue with the initial processes and then you can visit your favorite apps. Now as you can see, let me just go to youtube.com and then I can use it from here. As DuckDuckGo says, as you tap and scroll, it will block pesky trackers. Now you can click this fire button right down to clear all the data. As it says here, personal data can build up in your browser, so use the fire button to burn it all away. And there you can burn it. Now as it says here, every time you use it, don't forget to burn all your data. Now if you go to the settings, you can even make your privacy settings better to fit your needs. So that is DuckDuckGo, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like the video if you found it useful. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.